everyone! Today we will be learning how to insert pictures and multimedia objects to make our presentations truly stand out. So let's get started! We are using MS PowerPoint, which is included in MS Office 2021. We will start with inserting pictures into our PowerPoint slides. We will first add a new slide in which we will insert the pictures. Let us add a blank slide for pictures. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top and select the picture option. As we can see, there are options to insert a picture from the device or select an online picture. We will first learn how to insert a picture from a file. To insert a picture from the device, click Pictures and then click on the device. In the dialog box that opens, browse the picture that we want to insert and click Insert. The image is now inserted in the slide. Let us insert a few more pictures. We will now adjust and format the images to fit the presentation style. Let us see how. To format the image, click on the image and we will see the Format tab appear on the top. Here we can crop, resize and apply various artistic effects to make our image look just right. Let us first resize the images so that all can fit in the slide. We can play around with these options until we achieve the perfect look for our presentation. For example, we can apply picture borders. For this, let us select the pictures, then select Picture Border and select the color we want. Next, let us apply artistic effects. Again, select the pictures and select Artistic Effects. Hover over the options to preview them. Then select the one we want. We can also change the color of the pictures by selecting Picture Format and selecting Color. Hover over the options to preview them. Then select the one we want. Last but not the least, let us apply picture effects. The various picture effects available are shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, or 3D rotation. Let us add the glow effect to our images. Now, let us kick it up a notch by adding objects like animated GIFs to our slides. For this, go back to the Insert tab and this time choose the GIFs files. Similar to images, we can adjust the settings of our animated files. For example, we can crop the GIF file by going to the Format tab and clicking on Crop. Similarly, we can increase the transparency of the GIF file by adjusting the transparency from here. We can customize the formatting to ensure our images and GIFs enhance our presentation seamlessly. There you have it! By inserting pictures and animated objects in PowerPoint, we can create engaging and visually appealing presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.